marami naman. Tingnan nyo yung background, ano ba yung mga previous na mga pinanggalingan nilang mga project. Pero pag wala, lalo na yung mga nakalak, tapos papangakuan ka pa, at hiningan ka ng pera, matik yun, scam po yun.
Yes.
Pero kung workshop, ang babayaran mo, okay po yun.
Nagbayad ka para
sa workshop. Pero pag natanggap ka kuno sa mga commercial, may pelikula ka kuno, tapos hiningan ka ng bayad, ay wala pong ganun. Kasi, pagka nagkaroon ka ng project, ikaw po ang babayaran, hindi ikaw ang magbabayad.
Truly!
Tama.
Yes!
Maraming salamat po sa binahagi niyo, maestro po. Kasi lahat ito ay based sa experience. Hindi lang po talaga inimbento yan ni maestro po. Kahit yung mga tinuturo niya, kung ano nakikita niya sa set. Kaya maraming salamat, mabuhay po kayo, and more projects pa po.
Salamat
maestro
pa.
Yes! See you again!
Thank you po.
Yes.
Ay, naku, pag may mga racket, no, pwede ko pala siya i-message. Maestro,
Yes.
kailangan ng ganito.
Yes.
Ay, perfect.
Ganon.
Yes.
For the, side.
Yes.
Papa, ay mabilis lang.
Go.
Gusto ko lang i-promote. Nako, sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig, nanonood nating mga kaserbisyong Cagayanos, maganda na po para sa pagdating nila Kyle Etchari, kasama ang cast ng hashtag Pamilya Sagrado. Nariyan po sina Aliana Angeles, Emilio Daes, River Joseph, Dustin Mayores, Migs Cuaderno, Valentino Jafar at si JC Galliano. At mas magiging masaya ang bonding at ang ating matinding hashtag Bida Kapamilya dahil hatid po namin yan. I'll be your host, Jaiho, kasama si Kriza at si Ralph Malibunas. Entrance is free sa October 23 po yan, 4 p.m. sa Cagayan State University Gymnasium sa Carig Campus. At ganun din po, bukas na po mismo, kami po ay nasa Amulong sa Municipal Gymnasium. Kaya kita-kits tayo dyan. 3 p.m. naman po magbubukas ang gate bukas. Kaya see you there, mga Kagayano.
Yes, at maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Ito po muli si Papa Awa pa.
Ako naman po nag-iisang beshi ng bayan at ang Diyosa ng kalsada. Ako po si Jaiho. Dapat laging love, love, love lang tayo dahil susunod na ang Love Connect kasama si Coach V, Vanessa Antonio. See you again. Bye!
Showbiz Sidelines sa Teleradyo Serbisyo at Radyo 630.
Bago? May bago! Ready na ba kayo mga ka-vibes? Abangan!
This is Beam TV Network, a commercial television network owned and operated by Broadcast Enterprises and Affiliated Media Incorporated. The network operates the following transmitting stations authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission: DWKC DTV Channel 31 Metro Manila with NTC permit number BSD-0077-2022 valid until March 16, 2025 with transmitter located at Palos Verdes Subdivision, Sumulong Highway, Barangay Santa Cruz, Antipolo City, Province of Rizal. DWHB DTV Channel 26 Baguio with NTC permit number BSD-0018-2022 valid until December 21, 2024 with transmitter located at Mount Santo Tomas, Suba, Benguet. DWHC DTV Channel 32 Naga with NTC permit number BSD-0084-2022 valid until April 7, 2025 with transmitter located at Barangay Triangulo, Naga City. DYRM DTV Channel 26 Iloilo with NTC permit number BSD-0070-2022 valid until March 8, 2025 with transmitter located at Barangay Alagisok, Jordan Guimaras. DYCT DTV Channel 31 Cebu with NTC permit number BSD-0016-2022 valid until December 21, 2024 2024 with transmitter located at Babag Hill, Cebu City. DXKC DTV Channel 31 Davao with NTC permit number BSD-0019-2022 valid until December 21, 2024 with transmitter located at Shrine Hills, Barangay Matina Crossing, Davao City. DXBE DTV Channel 31 Zamboanga with NTC permit number BSD-0017-2024 valid until December 21, 2024 with transmitter located at Mount Kabatangan, Zamboanga City. Beam TV Network operates under the supervision of the following electronics and communications engineers duly licensed by the Professional Regulations Commission. Engineer Oliver Q. Caldetera, PECE number 1312. Engineer Herbert E. Alo, ECE number 44171. Engineer Michael A. Flores, ECE number 48715, and carried out by the following personnel duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Alan H. Barrios, 96-1PNCR-17094. Edgar Alan A. Ramos, 12-1PHN-26519. All programs telecast on this network have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Beam TV Network is now signing off.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.